Welcome to Tech Beads, where tech enthusiasts unite. In today's video, we have something truly special in store for you. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single second of this captivating review. And while you're here, be sure to show your support by subscribing to our channel. Together, let's embark on an exciting tech journey and stay ahead of the curve. Introducing the Blueye X3, the deep-diving bad boy that plunges deeper than your ex's issues. We're talking about the remarkable underwater, remotely operated vehicle. With a range of up to 1,000 feet and an HD tilt camera, the Blueye X3 captures stunning images and videos, allowing you to finally witness what Nemo has been up to all these years. But wait, there's more. Let's not overlook the automatic heading and depth control system. It's like having your very own personal submarine that effortlessly navigates through the roughest conditions, without breaking a sweat. Just like how I expertly navigate through my ex's Instagram without accidentally liking a photo from 2012. The Blueye X3 is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easily transportable. It's like having a personal Jacques Cousteau right at your fingertips. And with its 3 guest ports, you can connect a variety of external equipment such as grippers, lights, sonars, and sensors. Because, you know, kids these days are all about that kind of thing, right? Introducing the game-changing Feiyu Pocket 3. Finally, you can capture all those shaky moments and proudly share them with the world, whether it's struggling up a hill on a bike or shedding a tear after a fall. Thanks to the Feiyu Pocket 3, you can now immortalize those epic fails. But wait, there's more. The Feiyu Pocket 3 is not just an ordinary handheld camera, it's an action camera that opens up a world of possibilities. Attach it to your helmet, skateboard, or BMX bike, and let the adventure unfold as you capture thrilling moments from unique perspectives. And let's not forget about the incredible slow motion mode. Who doesn't love the magic of slowing things down? It's like experiencing regular motion, but in a captivating, slow-paced manner that adds drama and flair to your footage. However, the true enchantment of the Feiyu Pocket 3 lies in its array of smart features. Get ready to be amazed by its face tracking, object tracking, panorama mode, time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse capabilities. These terms may sound technical, but they bring a world of creative possibilities to your fingertips. With Feiyu Pocket 3, you become a master storyteller, capturing every detail and unleashing your creativity. So, get ready to embark on an exciting visual journey and embrace the power of this innovative handheld and action camera. Your adventures will never be the same again. Field Notes, the innovative notebooks that can withstand anything life throws at them. Say goodbye to the nightmare of spilling coffee on your precious paper notebooks. These notebooks are crafted from a special synthetic paper that is both tear-proof and waterproof. You can even submerge them in water or expose them to a gallon of acid without any damage to your valuable notes. The only difference from the good old paper is that it's covered with a dot graph pattern, and this unique paper doesn't absorb ink as traditional paper does. So, it's recommended to use ballpoint pens and pencils for the best results. Field Notes offers a wide range of options, including different sizes, colors, and page numbers, allowing you to choose according to your preferences. And for those who need a versatile notebook, there's a dedicated reporter's notebook designed to be easily held with one hand while you write with the other. With Field Notes, you can embrace durability and functionality without compromising on the traditional notebook experience. Are you tired of the inconvenience of carrying a regular set of keys? They're too bulky, too noisy, and just too cluttered. It's enough to make you say yuck. Luckily, there's a smart and innovative solution. Introducing the Keysmart Compact Key Holder, a sleek key organizer that resembles a Swiss Army knife. Crafted from industrial-grade stainless steel, it's built to last and endure. With its clever design, it can store up to 8 keys, making it much easier to find the right one when you need it. Adding a new key is a breeze with a simple unscrewing motion. But that's not all, it can also accommodate a USB flash drive or other accessories, providing even more functionality. And with an additional loop, you can attach car keys and keychains too. Finally, the solution we've all been waiting for: Keysmart Compact Key Holder. Say goodbye to key-related hassles and hello to convenience. Nagualep Nano, the revolutionary kitchen composter that will revolutionize how you handle organic waste. With its advanced electric composting technology, the Nagualep Nano can break down food scraps into nutrient-rich soil in just hours, rather than days. Its compact and stylish design fits perfectly on any kitchen countertop, making it a convenient addition to your daily routine of disposing of waste. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and messy garbage bins. The Nagualep Nano is odor-free and produces no harmful emissions. Its innovative design ensures that your kitchen waste is transformed into organic compost that can be used in your garden or to nourish your houseplants. Join the eco-friendly revolution with the Nagualep Nano and make a positive impact on the environment. Don't miss out on the chance to back this amazing project on Indiegogo today for just $439. Nara Pro is here to be your knight in shining armor, protecting both your day and your precious lungs. Equipped with its innovative 3-layer Nano Shield Plus Pro filter, Nara Pro has the power to eliminate dust, microorganisms, and even smoke. Say goodbye to those pesky particles floating around in the air. But that's not all. The UVC air cleaner goes a step further, neutralizing harmful bacteria and viruses on contact. It's the perfect companion for those who still haven't mastered the art of proper hand washing. Nara Pro's high-speed air circulation system ensures that purified air is dispersed faster than your ex can spread rumors about you. No more waiting around for fresh air. And let's not overlook the intelligent air sensor. It detects PM 2.5 and 1.0 particles, as well as TVOC gases. Plus, it even changes its adorable little expression based on the air quality. How cute is that? So, take a breath of relief with Nara Pro. Breathe in clean, purified air and bid farewell to the dusty days of old. Get ready to immerse yourself in a mesmerizing audio journey with the extraordinary Soul Speaker. It's like experiencing music through the lens of a masterful artist, as it employs ferrofluid to create mind-blowing and captivating patterns that will leave you in awe. With the accompanying app, you have full control over customizing your experience. From adjusting the LED colors to fine-tuning the brightness of the ferrofluid, you have the power to create a personalized ambience that perfectly matches your mood and style. But wait, there's more. The Soul Speaker isn't just about the mesmerizing visuals. It delivers serious sound quality that will make your favorite tunes come alive. And with a battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge, you can enjoy uninterrupted music throughout your day. Not only is the Soul Speaker a feast for your ears, but it's also a visual delight. Its sleek and elegant design effortlessly blends into any decor, becoming a captivating piece of art in its own right. It's like having a stunning vase that serenades you with your favorite melodies instead of holding flowers. Your music will never be the same again. Introducing the Stihl Light, the ultimate gardening tool that offers portability and power. With its high chain speed, it effortlessly cuts through small branches, shrubs, and planks. This incredible tool operates on a rechargeable battery, providing 25 minutes of continuous cordless use. To keep you informed, there's a convenient backlit indicator that displays the battery status. The Stihl Light is designed to be lightweight, and its ergonomic non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip. Despite its impressive power, this pruner operates quietly, sparing your ears from excessive noise. When it's time to replace the chain, worry not. It can be done quickly and effortlessly without the need for any additional tools. And that's not all. Accompanying this mighty tool is a compact and handy companion that will assist you with various tasks. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Stihl Light, the ultimate gardening solution. Switch Gun, a revolutionary product that will completely transform your perception of firearms. This single-action folding revolver, chambered in .22 LR, is not only compact but also incredibly versatile. With its simple and intuitive design, the Switch Gun is suitable for both beginners and released felons. Its durable and rugged construction ensures it will outlast any prison sentence, with or without parole. The folding design of the Switch Gun makes it easy to transport and store. Its compact size is perfect for carrying in a backpack or briefcase. When you're ready to shoot, the gun quickly and effortlessly unfolds, allowing you to take aim and fire with precision. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or aspiring to join a notorious gang, the Switch Gun is an essential addition to your collection, or should we say, rap sheet. It's available for just $449, a small price to pay for the potential loss of freedom. Experience the power and convenience of the Switch Gun today. The Wing, the mighty flying savior for lazy humans everywhere. And no, we're not talking about the chicken wing joint down the street. We're talking about delivery drones. The Wing's drones are capable of flying up to 20 kilometers round trip, effortlessly carrying packages weighing up to 2.6 pounds. So, if you find yourself desperately in need of some milk and can't be bothered to put on pants and go to the store, fear not. The Wing has got you covered. Drone deliveries are the future we're experiencing right now. Who needs human interaction, privacy, or even a clear sky when you have flying robots ready to fulfill your every whim with a simple touch of a button? As for me, I wholeheartedly welcome our new drone overlords. But hey, what if you decide to order a bushel of watermelons? Well, that's a mystery we'll have to solve together. The Wing, redefining convenience and defying the limits of aerial delivery.